Washington and Puyat Branch, are you ready? Move! Give way! 265 is on the way! Move! Give way! Washington is on the way! Move! Say BDO, let's go, let's fight! Say BDO, let's win this fight! BDO, we find ways together, let's work it out! Hello BDO! Hello Region 4! Welcome to BDO Washington and Puyat Branch Edition!
Maligayang pagdating sa aming branch mga bankers. Para sa inyong unang task, nais kong ipahayag nyo ang temang We Find Ways Workout sa pamamagitan ng inyong natatanging talento. Good luck, 265 bankers!
Manang iyong kailangan, BDO ay laging nandyan. Kahit anong loans at serbisyo, kay BDO meron tayo niyan. BDO Pay at online banking, easy access kahit saan. Online account opening, lahat ay kaya nang gawin. Dito ka na sa BDO, kahit saan magpunta. Kitang-kita mo naman ang daming branches na distribution go digital. Malayong mararating, anytime, anywhere, ay kaya natin. Sikat na bangko, kahit saan magpunta. Sasabihin ko, conquer ako. Sa BDO, kaya natin to with BDO. If you're done with your sum, move it to the next. If you're done with your sum, the only code I want is easy access. No extra stress, no extra worries. If the line is long, use the UTM. If the line is long, the only code I want is easy access. No waste of time, no extra charges. If you're having any trouble, body is the body. If you're having any trouble, the only one I need is our body to give us answers to any query.
Bankers, dahil sa galing at dedikasyon na pinakita ninyo, kayo ay nagwagi sa inyong task. Congratulations, bankers!
Ayan! Palakpakan naman. Thank you so much for watching what you do from Makaliwan area. This has been a very incredible